Pednekar. I'm a plastic surgeon from Goa. I have recently attended the hair transplantation workshop organized by A2K Skill School with their knowledge partners Elegance Vidyalaya under the guidance of Dr. Ashutosh Shah. This has been one of the best experiences in learning for me. We have handled the hair transplantation details from the point of patient counseling to all the steps in the procedure to the post-op management. It's also included sessions on mustache hair transplantation and beard hair transplantation. Entire details were handled with hands-on workshop for both of us, for me and the other resident who did the workshop. And we also had an interesting session on GST, where all the questions and queries about GST for cosmetic procedures were answered in detail to the depth, to our best of our understanding. This has been one of the best examples, best classes I've ever attended. Thank you, Dr. Ashutosh Shah and A2K Skill School.